miso steak tacos, mac and cheese, my world famous chicken and sausage gumbo, and of course, our Halloween special, alien deviled eggs. Those are just a few recipes that we've already released on Culinary Chaos, and we have a whole bunch more waiting to go for you guys, including tomorrow's episode, which releases at 5 p.m. Central Time. I personally wanted to come on here and say thank you guys for all the support you're showing the new series, all the likes, follows, comments, subscribers, all of that stuff. I really appreciate you guys, and it doesn't go unnoticed. Kiko and I are actually wrapping up season 1 filming this weekend. We're starting season 2 immediately, so if there's anything that you guys want us to cover, whether it's recipes, techniques, culinary school, whatever you guys want to know, throw them in the comments, ask your questions, follow us on all socials, and never miss an episode. And together we're going to make you a better cook. From beginner to advanced, we're covering it all, so feel free to jump in and ask any questions you guys like. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of season 1. We have even bigger things planned for season 2, so drop a follow, subscribe, whatever you gotta do, and I will see you in the kitchen.